I'm Loveena Kansal. I'm heading the NBFC Mega Corp Limited. We are into providing loans across various product lines, including salary advances, EV financing, and expanding to a few more verticals. In BFSI, there has been a strong shift in the way things have been evolving. Now there's a clear shift from having the product knowledge to a complete expertise over the platform, so insurance. But now the expectation is that they should be aware about the complete ecosystem, how the platform journeys work, how they talk to each other, how the APIs drive business. The other is that earlier the historical data used to pave the way, and it was more about looking at it and analyzing it. Now the shift is towards predictive analysis, especially when it comes to underwriting, assessing the risk, or doing some collections, early warning signals. So again, AI is augmenting a better modeling in which we can preempt certain kind of customer behavior. The other is that earlier it was more about efficiency that we used to try to bring in, about automation, just to cut down the TAT or sometimes the cost, or maybe certain kind of steps. But now the idea is that it should be a better decision model overall, augmented by the alternate data, so that it can be a straight through competitive journey with the right customer being assessed, accessed, as well as serviced. So in terms of the capability building, I would say that there's a strong shift in now enabling the users to just not understand their respective areas, but also become cross-functional.
That was a very comprehensive answer to that question. Thanks, Loveena. Moving forward, I would also like to know that what should the learning and development teams do differently to stay relevant for the business teams?
Like I said, now there's a shift in the needs. So now the capability has to be built in which people can understand the customer needs, what the alternate data can provide them, and hence they should be able to understand the decisioning model better. They should just not rely on that particular area or the function that they're representing, like underwriting or collections. They should be able to understand the modeling behind it so that they can be a stronger decision making. Also, the various kind of business models require reaching out to customers. So here again, the capability building can be really very helpful to create more awareness and knowledge about personalization of such offers, how the sales team can probably go with some customized and personalized offers against the traditional sales practices in which there was just one product meant for everyone. And similarly, for the organizations at large, now they can have cross-functional human beings, just not one team. So because a lot of things have automated, a lot of data is there through AI, and a lot of models are in place. So it is feasible for one person to represent and act on behalf of multiple functions independently. And the capability which can be enhanced by such tools is definitely going to augment the knowledge level and capabilities by giving them that platform. Sure, thank you for having me here. Thank you.